Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Zarchiver has proper storage rights. Open Android settings, go to Apps, find Zarchiver and tap Permissions, allow storage and files access. If the permission toggle is grayed out, uninstall Zarchiver updates or temporarily revoke other file manager permissions, then try again. Once done, restart Zarchiver so it rechecks access. This step fixes the most common access-denied triggers because Android blocks file APIs without explicit consent, so make sure permissions show as allowed before proceeding. Next, handle Android's special access rules. If you run Android 11 or higher, open Settings and grant Zarchiver Manage All Files access. That lets it use legacy file calls. For SD cards, use the App Storage Access Framework flow, tap Select Folder, navigate to the SD root, and confirm. This creates a URI-based permission so Zarchiver can write. Also prefer selecting folders rather than typing paths. Android enforces scoped storage, so the system-approved selection keeps access stable. Finally, extract or create archives after permissions are set. If extraction fails, choose a different output folder or change archive format. Sometimes a corrupt archive triggers a permission error. After operations, check file owner and permissions with a file manager that shows details and adjust if needed. If you still see access denied, reboot the device, clear Zarchiver cache, and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, revoke and regrant, manage all files, and repeat the folder selection to refresh the system URI permission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.